Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Here I'm placing the seashell into the mold box where I'm going to be putting the sand to make the cavity to pour in the molten aluminum. Here I am putting talc onto the seashell so the sand does not stick to it. I'm brushing the talc in to get into all the crevices of the seashell. And now I'm sprinkling on olivine sand, it's green sand made for casting, onto the seashell, sprinkling that on as well so I don't get any clumps of sand building up onto the shell. Now I'm going to be removing any of the loose sand to continue with the top of the mold. Here are the two locking pins to keep the top of the mold and the bottom of the mold together so it does not come apart. And now I'm going to be doing the same thing I did before with the talc so the sand does not stick to it. Now I have to cut out a channel to pour the aluminum into the mold cavity, as well as install two little vents for the air to escape. To melt the aluminum, I will be using my homemade backyard foundry. If you're interested in building one yourself, the link will be in the top right-hand corner of the screen. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, please like the video. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe and you'll see more videos just like this.